he's a pretty legit videographer, man. How is it possible that my dude right here only has like a couple hundred subscribers, man?
It's criminal.
My guys should here have at least like minimum 100K, man. Super talented. Yo, go subscribe to my guy.
Thank you. I should have worn boots. We got a snowstorm coming later today, about 10 to 15 centimeters. So yeah, I'm not really into wearing boots. They're kind of heavy, so. I'm going to meet someone to help film their YouTube video. So that's cool. Great things about doing videos is that you gotta meet a lot of people that you wouldn't normally meet sometimes. And yeah, this guy follows me on my channel and he wants to start his own YouTube video, or he wants to start his own YouTube channel. And he asked me if I can help shoot it. And I thought for a second, you want me to help shoot your YouTube video? I struggle with shooting my own videos. And for a second I thought I really wasn't up for the job, but I think the moral of the story is believe in yourself and you never know what could happen. So we're headed to Trinity Bellwoods Park and we're gonna shoot this video. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully I do a great job. If I don't, then yikes. It's so early, there's nobody on the streets. Kind of eerie, but you know what I need right now? It's coffee. I did a killer time lapse last year, right there. One of my better time lapses, actually. So I think the plan is gonna help this guy shoot the video. Then there's a meetup at 11 at UofT, doing a UofT walk in a snowstorm. So Jime's back. I'm not sure if you guys know, so she's back. Just being in front of the White Squirrel coffee shop. We're almost ready to roll. I finished my coffee. Still drinking his tea. Want to do a quick intro?
Yeah, absolutely.
Want to just say your name real quick?
Yo, my name is Liban. Chilling with Paul today. You know, the guy. You know, YouTube famous, the meetup guy. You know, so
You got the wrong Paul, but anyway.
no Paul. It's definitely this Paul. You know.
Yeah. We're gonna venture out and try to avoid the snowstorm and do this quick little video. So it should be a lot of fun. So thanks for inviting me, bud.
Yeah, for sure. I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Hey, let's roll. It's starting to snow. Yee. Thank you.
All right, you guys take care. Okay.
Okay, let's roll.
Yeah, man.
Here we go. Welcome to Canada. Man's absolutely a rocket right now. He memorized about 8 pages of script off the top of his head, so I can't even memorize 2 lines. He's memorizing a whole book, so.
Yo,
who's the vlogger, right?
Yo, this guy, he's a pretty legit videographer, man. How is it possible that my dude right here only has like a couple hundred subscribers, man?
It's criminal.
My guys should here have at least like minimum 100K, man. Super talented. Yo, go subscribe to my guy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What is your channel about, buddy?
Yo, it's
what
about,
are you doing out here?
We're gonna do like a whole bunch of Vietnamese stuff, a bunch of like language, but mostly it's gonna be about interactive stuff. So it's gonna be me approaching, having conversations with people, and then like so we can see like what it really looks like from one human to another human, truly connecting. You know, and so yeah, I want to do that, man. If you guys want to join me for the ride, check me out for sure, man. And it's not just gonna be Vietnamese first. Hopefully we do a whole ton of other languages later on as well.
Yeah, I hope so. I'll drop your channel link in below so people can find out who you are.
There's probably gonna be like maybe not the videos gonna pop up, but like later on you're gonna see hopefully.
Cool, buddy.
Yo, question for everybody out there. Have you ever seen an afro this snowy, man?
Never.
This is crazy. I wasn't expecting this to happen, man. This is some crazy shit, bro. But yeah,
January.
I'm loving how it's looking. Snowy afro.
Peace out. So we're just wrapping up, and he's going home. I have to somehow get to a meetup across town, so that should be interesting. It's coming down pretty hard, so we'll see who shows up at this meetup, and we'll go from there. So thanks, man, for inviting me again. Well, that was fun. Always good to meet other content creators. Gonna venture out back into the Snowstorm, try to meet up with the group at UofT, and we'll try to get a couple of shots. See them up ahead. They're just over there by the Hard House. So yeah, found them. Let's roll. Who's back, guys? Look who's back.
Hey, I'm back.
We missed you. Everyone missed you. Okay, I actually have a really good shot of this area. The master that I can show you guys. You happy to be back in Toronto?
I'm super happy.
Really? Don't lie. It's winter.
I like winter.
Little short trip inside Hard House, but yeah, there's some good light in here. I definitely recommend it, and we're going back up. We're going back outside in the storm. Waiting for him to say it's beer time. So whenever you want to go, we'll go.
We're
Almost?
Going.
Are we?
Going. Yeah.
We're just waiting. So great job though on your first one. You got people to show up, which is great.
Yeah, I'm really happy.
Yeah. Did you shoot any time when you're back home? Did you shoot anything?
No.
Beach stuff, right?
I was super busy.
Yeah.
And I needed my grip, you know?
Yeah. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Welcome back. Emily on her first spot. Let's go, your first spot in. Make it happen. Make it happen. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Happy customer.
Happy customer. Another customer served. Hey, back at Union. Thanks for watching, guys. Gonna call this video. It was a long day. It was a little bit all over the place, so sorry about that. But hopefully you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, there's always something to shoot, so get out, shoot. And we'll see you at the next meetup. Thanks for watching. Peace.